Hey everyone, so I have to be frank with you guys. I had a cold opening, but then Dogpool ate it. Yeah. What's going on everyone? My name is John, you're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Marvel Vans in the Deadpool colorway. The Merc with the Mouth has always been a popular character, but since his movie dropped in 2016, his popularity exploded. And with the release of his second movie coming out this year, a lot of people have just flocked to theaters to see this movie. And after his performance in X-Men Origins Wolverine, he definitely could have used a depiction that was much more closer to the comics. First, let's take a look at the shoe. This shoe has a red leather toe with a black overlay and little scratch graphics, kind of signifying that Deadpool is a swordsman and has little scratch marks, or where I guess you would have sword nicks. Moving towards the tongue, you have more of these sword-like nicks. And you have the Marvel and Vans logo right on the tongue tag. The inside of the tongue does not have chimichangas like it's supposed to, but instead it has tacos, which is, I guess, kind of a suitable replacement. The insole of the shoe has Deadpool's graphic on it, and you're not gonna be able to see it, and I can't pull it out, but it says, buy this shoe, it's so much better than the other ones. Moving towards the heel, you got this grain rubber overlay, and I guess that's supposed to signify the straps or his belt. Also, you got a metal button that says Marvel and Vans. Moving towards the heel, you got the two swords, and these are iconic for Deadpool, as well as more of the little Nick graphics. The lateral has this shuriken by the ankle, as well as the leather overlay, and more of the Nick graphics on the red leather upper. You have a black and red midsole with the Vans off the wall logo right on the heel. And you have a black Waffle Outsole with this little graphic right here that's supposed to signify like gum on your shoe. Overall, I think it's a pretty decent shoe. The last time Marvel and Vans did a collaboration, Deadpool of course was not considered as part of the shoes, even though Spider-Man and Hulk were. So I like the increased attention that Deadpool is getting, and he's always just been a great character. He's one of my favorite Marvel characters of all time, next to Spider-Man. And I think that this Sk8 Hi is definitely a dope colorway. Now let's get some detailed looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. The Marvel Vans Sk8 Hi Deadpool is now available at Vans retailers and Vans.com for a retail price of $75. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out Solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.